The High Court of Bombay at Goa directed Ukiyo Beach Resort at Ashvem to discontinue playing loud music outdoors as it was causing noise pollution near the turtle nesting site. Advocate Carlos Alvares Ferreira pointed out that the resort had indulged in noise pollution by organizing loud music parties that continued beyond 10 p.m. for 4 days. The court has now ordered that the resort should refrain from organizing any parties or playing any music till the next hearing scheduled on March 21, 2023. It also impleaded the resort as one of the respondents and issued notice to remain present during the next hearing. It is pertinent to note that the blaring music played by the resort at Ashvem Beach is in close proximity to the turtle nesting site, thereby disturbing the habitat of the olive ridley sea turtles. Only 7 olive ridley sea turtles have laid eggs at the nesting site this season. The Forest Department has also been asked to file a status report about the incident. The concerned authority should now decide whether fresh licenses should be issued to those against whom complaints have been lodged, the division bench said. Bureau Report, Herald TV.